Explore Bec and Chris Judd's $3 million coastal sanctuary renovation. Have you ever dreamed of a home that perfectly marries luxury with cozy family living? Look no further than Bec and Chris Judd's magnificent Mornington Peninsula property, now on the market for an impressive $2.85 million to $3 million. This exquisite retreat, purchased by the couple in 2016, has undergone a stunning transformation from its humble 1970s beginnings to a contemporary haven that highlights both style and comfort. Step inside and be captivated by the spacious design, which boasts 3 generous bedrooms and 2 chic bathrooms, all adorned with luxurious finishes that elevate every corner of the home. Imagine gleaming bench tops showcasing beautiful gold veining, paired with elegant oak cabinetry that adds warmth and sophistication. The heart of the home is a breathtaking open-plan living area, drenched in natural light, a perfect setting for family gatherings or simply unwinding after a long day. Outside, award-winning landscape architect Nathan Burkett has crafted lush gardens that include a heated pool, ideal for soaking up the sun, as well as stylish entertainment spaces perfect for hosting friends and family. What truly sets this property apart are the sweeping views of the surrounding hills, giving you a sense of serenity while remaining just a short distance from all the conveniences you could desire. Bec, who played a pivotal role in the renovation process, shared her passion for hands-on involvement, saying, "I find that when I'm involved, things get done really quickly. I would say I'm a good communicator and I work with a team who are good communicators. We put out fires before they happen." Her dedication shines through in every detail of the design, which she describes as a dreamy, country ranch. One standout feature of the home is a lavish kitchen designed to impress, featuring striking Patagonia quartzite stone sourced from South America, known for its bold aesthetics that enhance a warm, neutral palette. Bec delightedly shared her vision for a stunning breakfast island crafted from this luxurious stone. In a heartwarming gesture, she also announced her plans to donate the entire contents of the original home to charity, showcasing her commitment to giving back. Located at Main Ridge near Arthur's Seat, just 85 kilometers from Melbourne, this holiday home is not just a property, it's a lifestyle waiting to be embraced. With an enviable location, breathtaking views, and exceptional design, it's the perfect haven for families ready to make memories that will last a lifetime. Bec and Chris Judd have truly created a masterpiece, and now, it's ready for its next chapter. Are you ready to step inside this coastal paradise?